You have almost certainly already had the experience. You're driving on the motorway when a rainstorm suddenly starts. The rain falls so hard that you have to adapt your speed. You feel like you're driving through a deluge. But are you really sure that there's that much water on the road? To answer this question, we equipped a vehicle with a system that can measure the exact height of water on the road. Here is what we found about the relationship between rain intensity and the depth of water measured on the road. Don't forget, water drains away quickly.